Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making curry chicken. So I already have my chicken, it's nice and cleaned. I also cut it up. So we have some chicken thighs and also some drums. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start seasoning the chicken. So I have about 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. This is the brand that I am using. I'm also gonna add some allspice, 1 tablespoon, some ginger, and I'll have all the ingredients in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Garlic, pepper, some paprika, I also have my green seasoning. This is called epis. In other countries they just call it green seasoning. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of that. And I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of salt. I'm also gonna add in some vegetables. So I have some bell pepper, some onions, also have some thyme, and I'm gonna add about 3 cloves of garlic, I'm gonna add in my green onion, and then now we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and cover this, and we're gonna let it marinate for about 20 minutes. If you do have more time on your hands, I will recommend you marinate it overnight or at least for 2 hours. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut up some potatoes, also some carrots. We are gonna add this to our curry chicken. So it's been about 30 minutes. I have my chicken here. We're gonna go ahead and start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start cooking the chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add some oil to our pot. I have my fire on medium high. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken. And we're gonna let the chicken cook until it becomes nice and golden brown. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and check the chicken. If it's nice and brown, we're just gonna turn it over, so it can cook on both sides. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in our water. So I did boil some water. I'm just gonna add enough to cover the chicken. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in our peppers. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover this and let it cook for 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. Hey guys, so the chicken has been cooking for a good 20 minutes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and stir it just a little bit. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in those potatoes, carrots, and some bay leaves. Go ahead and add that. Go ahead and add some bay leaves. Give it a good toss. And at this point, you do want to taste it to make sure that you have enough salt. And that tastes perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it for another 20 minutes. All right guys, so it's been about 28 minutes and my chicken is all done. Just go ahead and take a look. The potatoes is nice and soft. It tastes so good. Just take a look. And you can feel the potatoes. You see that they are nice and soft. You can just smush them. The chicken is falling off the bone, and that is exactly what you want. And we're all done. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you so much, guys.